Capstone entry number 3. Topic: Ocean deoxygenation. Place of interest: coast of Peru. It is abundantly clear that oxygen is fundamental for nearly all life in the ocean because it controls a multitude of geochemical and biological processes. Because of this, deoxygenation or climate-induced oxygen loss not only poses great threat to marine life, but it can also contribute to further global warming. As oxygen declines in the oceans, the production of nitrous oxide becomes greater, which is more effective at trapping heat. Global warming directly impacts ocean deoxygenation. As a result, increased ocean temperatures lower the ability to dissolve oxygen, which causes changes to the physical mixing of oxygen. Nutrient input due to human activity is a major factor that contributes to ocean deoxygenation, especially in the coastal regions, since nutrients are responsible for the creation of primary production. Being Peruvian and having been born in the coast of Peru, this area is of particular interest to me. The coast of Peru is one of the richest fishing areas of the world, and it offers a major source of seafood. This is why its vulnerability to the effects of deoxygenation is a real concern. As ocean deoxygenation increases, it can have great impact on fisheries, the employment they provide, and the food supply system. It can also affect the quality of fish being supplied and the communities that are sustained by it. Moreover, the rate at which these thermal changes are happening makes it hard for the fauna and flora to offset it. Global and regional models coincide that ocean deoxygenation is taking place, and these areas will continue to experience it with decreases of as much as 17%. Changes in species geographical distribution and composition are expected to continue, and these changes will be permanent. The data is so dauntingly obvious that it should compel all of us to do something to change these projected numbers.